Guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on a Citroen car. It also fits the Peugeots all as well. So the infotainment in this car today is a SMEG one, so obviously it'll only fit the SMEG car, so just be mindful for this. It works into the car's auxiliary. I'll just give you a little tip, guys. Basically, if you'll find that your aux is greyed out here, then the only reason it's doing that is because it needs to activate. A way to get it to activate is actually to play a music app or play an app from the CarPlay side. Once it starts giving a sound output, it will show up. Now, if I do this with my phone and start playing some like a music app, it may cut my video off. Don't ask me why, something to do with software and CarPlay. But I've just held down the list button, which is over here. This one here, which activates the aftermarket side. So I'll just go into here. Let me try that one there. I'm hoping my video's not going to stop, because sometimes it does when you play a music app. So me pressing that there stops the video. Don't ask me why, it's something to do with software and CarPlay. But obviously with this now, as you can see, this is the aftermarket side. This has got my CarPlay built into here. See, it's nice, swift and responsive with this here. If you're familiar with CarPlay, you'll know exactly what you're going to get with it. So I'm just going to keep the video short today, guys, because as I say, it's a customer's about to pick up the car. If you've got any questions, give us a shout.